Welcome to yet another episode of the Public Speaking Masterclass on practice. How to practice your public speaking and presentations at home. Today, let's talk about how you can read aloud to practice your public speaking. This is another opportunity for you to learn how to practice aloud to speak in public. It helps you to learn to mature your voice. If your voice is low, you can lift it up. Reading aloud will help you to overcome filler words. You're speaking and some people naturally they are fast speakers. They speak very fast that no one understands them. Reading aloud can help you do this and overcome that. So, what is reading aloud and how do you do it? There are a lot of opportunities that comes of reading aloud, like I mentioned before, but you need to do it the right way. If you don't do it the right way, you may not enjoy the benefits of reading aloud. So let's give a practical demonstration on how to read aloud. This is a book. You can pick any material. You can just, whether it is a mathematical question or equation, it could be say, a post on Facebook, and I encourage you to buy a book specifically for this. It could be a speech that you are going to read aloud, and you just pick the speech and how do you do it. So I'm going to read, I'm just going to pick a session of this book, open any chapter or any page and read aloud. This is how you should not do it. I want to share with you how you shouldn't do this. Then I'll share with you how you can do this better. So this is Nelson Mandela's address to a rally in Cape Town on his release from prison. Don't read it this way. And I read 11 February 1990. And this is how some of you read this. Friends, comrades, and fellow South Africans, I greet you all in the name of peace, democracy, and freedom for all. I stand here before you not as a prophet, but as, yes, you are reading aloud. But this will not help you in your public speaking journey. It helps in a way, but it's not going to help you to learn all the benefits that I talked about, your voice tonality, the pauses. No, you're not going to enjoy the benefit, especially when you are somebody who will get the opportunity to read manuscripts in the near future. So, how do you do this? You read it like you are giving a presentation. So, let me give an example. And this is Nelson Mandela's address to a rally in Cape Town on his release from prison. I read 11 February 1990. Friends, comrades, and fellow South Africans, I greet you all in the name of peace, democracy, and freedom for all. I stand here before you not as a prophet, but as a humble servant of you, the people, your tireless and heroic sacrifices. So you see, you are reading it aloud, but you are reading it like you're giving a presentation. So imagine doing this for maybe 30 days consistently. It's going to improve your diction. You're going to learn a lot of words, how to pronounce words, how to go about your public speaking in terms of incorporating pauses into your presentations. Because the more you read aloud, the more you get better and better and better. So reading aloud will help you to overcome the stress of speaking with speed. If you are somebody who speaks very fast, you can learn to read aloud to get into the zone. If you are somebody too who is stammering lightly, yes, you need to see a clinical psychologist because for advice, but you can incorporate reading aloud so that it gives your mind a chance to process some of the words very fast and you can get to speak. So this will help you to do more. Start reading aloud daily. Just pick a book or a page or a Facebook note. Read for 10 minutes. Daily, read for 10. If I say 30 minutes, some of you will not do that. If you have a major presentation, if you are serious about public speaking, which I know you do, you can do 30 minutes a day for maybe, let's say, for 2 or 3 months. I'm telling you, you are going to see major improvements in your delivery in terms of speaking. It's going to shape you and it's going to give you an edge when you mount the stage to speak. Thank you very much.